What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Today I've bought a new steering wheel that we're going to be installing on the car. I wanted to do this upgrade for a while and now is finally the time. So this steering wheel is from Peugeot and it's sold by FullCarTuning here in Holland. I think they also sell international, but it's a really nice suede steering wheel. So as you can see, this steering wheel is a little bit smaller. The original is 37 centimeters and this one is 33 centimeters in diameter. So that will feel like the car is a little bit more responsive with steering. So that's great. So yeah, let's go and install it. So if you look on the bottom of the steering wheel, there's a hole here and you need to get a flathead screwdriver and pry that in there because that releases the airbag. So now you need to be very careful with the wiring, because these white wires are very fragile, I think. But you need to disconnect two connectors, one on the left, one on the right. Just take that out. Then you need a T50 Torx for the steering wheel bolt. Yeah, there we go. Now we loosen it. You want, before you take the steering wheel off, you want to have it straight, so we're gonna disable the lock. Now we're gonna unscrew it all the way. Now the bolt is out, so we want to pull off the steering wheel, but we don't want to pull the steering wheel off and then hit it against our face. So we're going to put the bolt back in a little bit, tighten it by hand, and then we're going to try and take the steering wheel off. We're just going to wiggle it. There we go. So now it's off. So now we can unscrew the bolt again. And now the steering wheel comes out, and now we feed the wires through the hole. There we go. Now we have the steering wheel out of the car. So this is the new hub for the steering wheel. So we mount this thing on the original shaft, and then we mount the new steering wheel on this part. So let's first pull the wires through the hole in the hub and then install the hub. So I'm not very good with this electrical stuff, so I'm just gonna try a bit and then see if the horn works. So that's the horn that works, so that's great. Take off the O-ring. So now we can put on the steering wheel, the boot. So I'm not sure why, but the airbag light doesn't turn on. So I guess we're good to go. So now we can finish the assembly. Now we can finish up by connecting the horn. Let's make sure that still works. It does. As I said, the airbag light doesn't come on. I don't know why that is, but if it comes on in the future, I'll let you guys know and I'll try and fix it.